Here's how to clone a Git repository. It takes about a minute and a half, so let's get into it. First, head over to GitHub and open the repository you want to clone. Once you're on the repo page, click the green code button near the top right. You'll see a URL pop up under the HTTPS tab. Go ahead and click the little copy icon next to it to grab that link. If you haven't done so already, be sure to download and install Git. On Windows, you can download it from git-scm.com, and we'll have a link in the description. On Mac, it might already be installed, but if not, you can install it via Homebrew with brew install git. Make sure to configure your Git credentials for both. Now open up your terminal or command prompt. Use CD to navigate to the folder where you want the project to land, so something like CD desktop or wherever you'd like it. Then type git clone, followed by the URL you just copied, and hit enter. You'll see it start pulling everything down, and after a couple seconds it should say done. Once that finishes, type CD followed by the repository name to move into the new folder. And if you're using VS Code, you can type code dot to open the whole project directly in your editor, which is nice. If code dot is not working, open VS Code. Press Command plus Shift plus P or Control plus Shift plus P if on Windows and type shell command. Install code command in path. Hit enter and accept the change, which requires administrator access. Then restart VS Code and try typing code dot again in your terminal, and the project should open. And that's it. You've cloned a Git repo to your local machine. Now you can start editing, running, or contributing to the project. Thanks for watching.